Hi, I'm Austin with Kaivac. It's important to inspect the fittings at the end of the aluminum wand on a weekly basis. If you're having issues with the squeegee head not staying attached to the aluminum wand, there may be a buildup of grease or soil in the fittings. Following these steps will extend the life of the aluminum wand. For this process, we'll need to get this aluminum wand over to a sink. You'll also need a small brush and a degreaser or a hand soap. So let's jump in. First, remove the collar from the wand by unscrewing it counterclockwise. Be sure not to lose the brass ring. Go ahead and place that aside for now. As you can see, the threads on the fittings are gunked up with grease and soil. I'm going to apply a degreaser to the collar's threads and then use a brush to break down the soil. Rinse the threads with water and then repeat these steps for the threads on the coupler at the end of the wand. Apply a degreaser, agitate, and rinse with water. You want these threads to always be as clean as possible, so it's important to check the threads on a weekly basis. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on maintaining your Kaivac equipment. We'll see you in the next one.